What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Hercules back with another video. Today I'm gonna show y'all some meals. Me and Lexi just went to the store, followed me on Instagram. You already seen we went and picked up some of the essentials. So I'm gonna kind of show y'all some meals that I eat when I'm working or when you cut, but mainly when I'm on a boat. So first we got our protein sources. Straight to the video.
Mommy,
This is the type of milk that I use. We got almond milk, vanilla unsweetened. Now, I'm bulking, so technically you can have a normal one, but I like to keep it clean a little bit when it comes to like milks and stuff, and it's a healthy fat. So we got chocolate milk. Trying to get big, y'all. This is a good way to bulk up on them calories, man. Chocolate milk for sure when you're on the bulk. Definitely not when you're on the diet. Too much sugars. Then we got regular 2% milk. And I mainly do the milks in my shakes and in my oatmeal. I don't like just drink plain glasses of milk. I do with the chocolate milk, but not with the white milk. Next we got our meat sources. So I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm gonna be eating too much of this. This is mainly Lexi's. Lexi's still on a diet. If you follow me on Instagram, again, Lexi's pregnant, so she's eating, you know, a little cleaner than I am. I'm back on the bulk. So when I'm bulking, I do 90-10 ground beef. When I'm cutting, I do 93-7. 90-10 because it has a little more fats, a little more calories, because it's hard enough for me to get in a surplus with the amount of muscle mass that I have. Of course, we got the eggs. Best deal around, y'all. Walmart. These was like what? $2.30?
Yep.
Something like that for 60 eggs. You can't beat it. Whole eggs, and we got egg whites. I do the egg whites for extra protein and for extra volume. You add this to your eggs, this is a lot. It becomes a lot more eggs, and you can throw these in your shakes if you want some extra protein per day. Can't go wrong with having protein. Those are mainly my protein sources. We just do that. We do the eggs and of course whey protein, but we're not showing that today. Next, we got our carbs. So I've told y'all about this before. Whole grain. You want to have your whole wheats, man. It's good to get those in. Good fiber, good nutrition. But you got to be careful. When you buy whole wheat bread, not all whole wheat bread is real whole wheat bread. So you got to actually look at the back. Let me see if I can get the camera to focus. Can you get the focus? Make sure the first ingredient is whole grain wheat flour. If it's the processed one, it'll say enriched whole grain. You don't want to get the enriched. It says wheat bread, but it's not 100% whole wheat. So be careful. Don't just see wheat bread, take it off the shelf, thinking you're eating healthy when really you're eating a processed bread or a lot of sodium. I mainly use that for peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Peanut butter toast in the morning, good pre-workout meal, or jelly toast on my breakfast sometimes. Of course, y'all already know, big fan of the rice cakes. Now that I'm not on a diet, I go with the chocolate ones. They're only 10 extra calories. Still macro friendly. Got 12 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fat, 1 gram of protein in these. And I usually eat a whole stack of these, 7 of them, tear them up. Yeah, I eat a whole stack of them. This, when I'm on a diet, I do the caramel ones because they're a little less calories, a little less sugar. But we bulking. Ain't no time to be saving calories when I'm on a bulk. I don't do that. I just put up a new video about the difference between lean bulking and dirty bulking. Make sure y'all check that video out. I talk about the proper nutrition and the difference between the two. I do dirty bulk, so I don't care about my calories. Next, potatoes. Bam, red potatoes. Okay, so a lot of y'all probably like, okay, sweet potatoes are king, which they are, I agree. If you want to bulk and you like sweet potatoes, I would tell you to get sweet. I don't really like them too much. I've tried them with the cinnamon. I've tried them with brown sugar. Just not a huge fan of them. So I do the red potatoes for my potatoes. And we got rice. You're never gonna see anybody bulking without rice. So we got jasmine rice, good source of carbs, and we got brown rice, of course. So you can go with either one of these, whichever your preference is. I go back and forth. I don't like the jasmine rice as much as brown rice, but like I said, just another way to switch it up. Then, oatmeal for breakfast. Another beautiful carb. Can't go wrong with oatmeal, no matter what. Good for pre-workout, post-workout, any time of the day. Getting those whole grains in, getting in that fiber, dietary fiber, guys. A lot of people forget about fiber. Speaking of fiber, 50% less sugar, dried craisins. Even on a bulk, I still try to watch my sugars. So when we do the craisins, I usually throw these in my oatmeal. You got 33 grams of carbs, 10 grams of dietary fiber per serving. You can't really beat that. I think you only need like 16 grams a day, something like that. You would at least have like 20 grams a day. A lot of people don't get their fiber in daily, and that's why they get all backed up. Some people struggle to lose weight because their body not flushing everything out like it should. You gotta have fiber. So.
And I love those now.
Yeah, these are good. Some people, if you like raisins, you'll like these. I like raisins, so I put these in my oatmeal to add some flavor because I still do the original oatmeal. So. Not that I have to, I'm on a bulk, so I can really buy a flavored one now if I wanted to. I'm not strict, but I like to do this mixture. Speaking of the oatmeal, while I'm over here, we're gonna show y'all the fats. So these are the fats I'm doing right now. So we got the healthy fats, of course. You got almond butter, the king, peanut butter, Peter Pan Crunchy. I grabbed the wrong one.
Oh, shh. You got creamy and crunchy.
It's okay. I actually like crunchy now. Back in the day, I wouldn't eat it, but I'll eat this now. It's got more peanuts in there. No big deal. Macro is just a little different. This one actually got, the crunchy one actually got less calories. I never knew that. I wonder if it got the more protein. Same amount of protein.
More oil in it or something.
Maybe. It's a good one. More sodium in this one because it's creamy, so it's probably a little more processed. So peanut butter and PB2. When I was just talking about that oatmeal, I use PB2 to flavor up my oatmeal. So if you were to buy one of my nutrition guides off the website, the customized ones, one of the first meals I put on there is oatmeal. I have everybody eat oatmeal for breakfast. They over there dancing. I do PB2. We do a bag or two of oatmeal, and then we put the craisins in there. That adds some great flavor. Good way to add some sweets in there without making it an unhealthy bowl of oatmeal. And then I just start doing this. I can't believe it's not butter. We do the light version because I like to have butter on my pancakes. They don't taste the same without the butter. I didn't eat butter my entire diet because there's really no safe way to eat it. So I'm gonna do it now that I can. At least I'm going with the light version.
Yeah, I made them get light, guys.
She made me because I would have got some straight fat ass butter and called it a day. And then another healthy fat, guys, extra virgin olive oil. Now you're not gonna just drink this plain. That's weird as hell. I don't like to do that. Just take this and add it in your so if you're making breakfast, you don't want to use butter, you can use olive oil in the bottom of the pan. Or when you make like baked chicken or fried chicken, not fried, skillet chicken. That sounds weird. Put this in the skillet, throw the chicken in there, and cook it with olive oil. This will get you some healthy fats.
Or with the potatoes.
Or with the potatoes, yeah. That's actually what we mainly use it for. Put it over the top of the potatoes and throw it in the microwave. It's a healthier alternative, guys. A healthy fat. So you gotta have olive oil. And that's my fats. Carb sources. Another part of carb sources, guys. Fruits. I usually do bananas on my bulk, and that's pretty much all I do for fruits. Strawberries, I do those my entire cut. Here and there I eat apples, but apples don't really have what you need in there like bananas. You know, potassium, more potassium in bananas, better carb source, and it just tastes better in my opinion. Lexi don't like bananas like that. And no, I don't eat them when they this green. That's nasty. If you eat bananas this green, you're gross. Okay, so another carb. Gatorade. I know we talked about carbs earlier. I do Gatorades on my books. Another way to get in some good carbs, good electrolytes. I drink a Gatorade post-workout. I have my BCAAs intra-workout, and then I drink my Gatorades right after. Or if I just want something sugary or sweet to drink, I have me a Gatorade. I still don't drink Pops. I'm not a fan of Pop. I haven't drank a plain Pop by itself in what, 2.5 years? I haven't drank Pop in a couple years, so I'm probably done with Pop.
I think you stopped after I got pregnant with Ava, so it's been almost 4 years.
Okay, so I've showed y'all my main sources of protein. Show them that. My proteins, my carbs, and my fats. And then, a little more carbs, for like post-workout and stuff like that. Now I'm gonna show y'all some of the essentials. I put this on my story on my Instagram one day. I got a lot of feedback. A lot of people wanted to know what I do for vitamins. I look like a damn pill popping animal right now. But like I said, these are the essentials, most of them. I'll run through them. So number 1, fish oil. You gotta have your fish oils, guys. Omega-3s, omega-3 fatty acids, good for inflammation, healthy fats. But it is a natural, like I said, a natural anti-inflammatory. So fish oils, you can't really go wrong with fish oils. They have a lot of benefits. Check it out, look it up. We're not gonna go too far in depth about those today. Men's 1 a day. Just to get those, some of the essentials in that you don't get. Men's 1 a day got like a little bit of everything in one pill. So I take 1 of these every day too. Oh, I do 4 of these, by the way. 4 fish oil pills. Then D3. I just started taking D3. If you somebody like me, I don't like being outside. I'm already black. I don't want to be any blacker, and I don't like being hot. So there's no need for me to be getting a damn tan. It's not happening. So I do D3 because I don't like being in the sunlight, but you still need that D3. So glucosamine. You don't have to get the combination of both. You could just go with glucosamine. Good for joint health. A lot of people, usually you see older people eating these, but when you're somebody that weight train and you do resistance training or you're athletic, you need things like this to kind of help with that joint health. I'm hoping it, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not really seeing a big change in it, but I would say it probably helps out a little bit. But I train so much, it's kind of hard to say that it's like super beneficial for me right now. But I do take them, because who knows, if I stop taking them, maybe things will get a lot worse.
When did you start taking them?
I started taking these like 2 months ago. So
How many do you take?
2 a day. So they're all different. These are 2 a day, and I got these off Amazon, and they give you like, how many in here? They blocked it off. 170 tablets, so that lasts you a long time, just taking 2 a day. So check them out, guys. Joint health, glucosamine. Like I said, look all this stuff up yourself before you in the body. Magnesium. Very good for muscle function. I just started taking these, so I haven't seen any benefits yet, but I heard they're good. They're good for bone health, and like I said, mainly muscle health. So the way, you know, the muscles contract and relax, it makes it a little more efficient at doing that. You know, that's what magnesium is for. I'm not a doctor, so my definition is not gonna, like I said, look it up your damn self if you want to know exactly what it does, okay? I looked it up, you should do the same. Never put something in your body without looking into it first, okay? You can't trust everybody's products. Biotin, not an essential, but I take it for skin because I have acne issues all of a sudden. As I got more into like weightlifting and stuff, I break out more because I'm always sweating, touching my face at the gym when I don't know. Who knows? Stuff like that.
Your diet's always changing.
And my diet is always changing. So hormones always changing and stuff because I'm always lifting. I'm always on a surplus or I'm on a diet. You gotta take your biotin. Skin, hair, and nails, right? And I do 5,000 mcg a day. Boom. And fiber. 6 grams of this a day, I believe. Yep, 6 grams of this a day. So fiber, like I said, once again, good for digestive reasons. More important than people think. Like I said, you don't want to be backed up, man. It's not fun. You don't want to be constipated and things like that. Take your fiber. Helps with digestive health. You gotta let those intestines help them push everything out so you can keep feeding the body the nutrients it needs.
And what do you put that in?
I put this in a bottle of water every morning.
Because it's like a powder, right?
Yeah. So if you follow me on Instagram for the 3rd time, follow me on Instagram, you'll see I show this sometimes. Every morning I'll take one of these. Actually, that just made me remember. I forgot one. Here it is. Every morning when I first wake up, no matter what, I done damn near been almost late to work because I'm trying to be very strict on my nutrition as far as essentials. I take this 1,000 milligrams vitamin C packets. I take one of these, I pour it in 16-ounce bottle of water, and then I add my fiber in there and shake it up. Fiber, vitamin C first thing in the morning, and while I'm drinking that, I use that fluid to take down these pills. So, like I said, it seems like a lot of pills, but it's fine. It's essentials. Make sure you look it up. Make sure it's beneficial for you. I wouldn't tell you nothing that's not beneficial for you, because if it's not, I wouldn't be doing it. So check that out. Get your fiber. You get your vitamin C, because I don't like getting sick, and I have seen a difference in this. You realize I don't really even get sick no more. And if I do start to feel the cold coming on, I drink one of these first thing in the morning. The cold disappears by the next day. So
yeah, I think I started making you drink those like what, a year ago or so.
yeah. They're kind of expensive, but they last. I mean, they're like $10 for that entire box of them. So you just do one packet a day. You don't need to do any more than that, because if you take too much of one vitamin, it can actually cause you to have a deficiency in another.
And he really does notice, like he'll wake up and say, "Oh, my throat's starting to hurt," and he'll drink one, and it'll go away.
Yeah, so try it out, guys. Don't knock it till you try it. All right. So we went through all the other foods, guys, but those are not the important foods. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's time to show you the late essentials. Show them what we got here, honey. The snacks. These are the real essentials. So I'm bulking. So obviously, I've been on a diet so long. I'm having what?
What is Ivy doing?
Obviously, I have a sweet tooth. So you want to satisfy that now. You can do that. You're on a bulk. So let me show you what we got. First off, fruit snacks. These are a healthy alternative. I know they still fruit snacks, but these are fat-free. Yes, I don't know if you noticed, that's why I grabbed these. An excellent source of vitamin C, and they're only 70 calories a pack, gluten-free, and made with what the hell is fruit puree?
Puree.
Puree. I ain't never heard of that shit. Look, whatever, the fruit, a healthier version of fruit snack. I didn't get them gushers or something, so I'm gonna eat some of these whenever I got a sweet tooth. And these I got from Complete Health. I haven't really tried these yet, so I'm not gonna tell y'all to get them and not knowing if they bomb. I don't know. The one I tried earlier it was okay, but we'll see what those taste like.
The one earlier was cookie dough?
Yeah, cookie dough and some chocolate chip cookie dough. Okay, so also if you follow me on Instagram, 4th time. Advertise. I'm sorry, I gotta do it. Y'all know I love some goddamn cereal. I eat about 3 bowls at a time when I eat cereal. I cannot resist it. I eat it at night, I eat it in the middle of the day. Whenever I'm craving it, I have it. So we got some Fruit Loops, the marshmallow version. Lexi hated it. And my favorite, all-time favorite cereal in the world is Frosted Flakes. I don't care what nobody says. Gotta have a family-sized box of Frosted Flakes. Don't bring me a small box of Frosted Flakes. There's no point. We got that. Then, for breakfast every once in a while, guys, I don't like to do the pancakes every day. We mainly focus on pancakes this year and like the whole grain waffles, things like that. But sometimes I wake up and I want to have something fun. I want to have cinnamon rolls. I want to have toaster strudel. Don't hate, guys. You gotta satisfy your cravings sometimes, okay? Things like that keep you going, keep you sane, keep that sanity. You want to have that sanity, okay? Last but not least, I'll show you guys the magic jar, okay? You're not allowed in this jar unless I say so. The magic cookie jar, last but not least. Now, it changes day to day. Sometimes there's chocolate chip cookies in here. Sometimes there's Oreo, whatever. Today, there's lemon cookies in here. Yes. Gotta have you a lemon cookie every once in a while. And yes, I eat these like a baby. I take the stuff out first.
Every single time.
Just like that, like a kid. No, it's cookie. Gotta have it, guys, see? Sanity. Sanity. That's everything I pretty much have, guys. I just wanted to show y'all a little grocery store haul, as they call it, or whatever. Those are the foods that I eat on my bulk. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all like videos like this, let me know. My foods don't change too much, but if they do change, I can make another video for y'all showing y'all foods. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know how y'all feel about these videos. That way I know what's put out for y'all. If you need any workout plans or nutrition guides, like always, head to the website at HerculesBasesFitness.com. Get you a workout plan, get you a nutrition guide, get yourself right. And if you're local, you need personal training, email me or DM me on my Facebook or my Instagram. All links are in the description. Once again, thank y'all for watching the video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Turn on those post notifications so you don't miss nothing else. We're done for the day. Hercules out.